Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, markets opening at the resistance level today with a very big gap up, and instantly we saw selling in the market, right? And that was our first sign. This first 15-minute candle was a very big sign that market is not going to sustain at higher levels. If market would have sustained at higher levels, we probably wouldn't have seen a very big green candle, or we would have seen a follow-up after this green candle over here, right? The second green candle, after that we should have seen a follow-up on the upside. But if you see, from there market continued to sell off, and in the end there was again some resistance, right? So what can we do for tomorrow is very simple. Right now, if you see in the daily chart, I'll go ahead and open the daily chart. Market has taken kind of a resistance from this previously, which was support. Now market has taken resistance from that level, and now it has come down, right? As I said, 43,200, 250, 300, all these levels will be very important, and market can take resistance from these levels, right? And if you see, from there itself market has taken resistance and started to come down, right? And if you see, this has been a very big red candle. So until we go above this level, if we go above this level, then most probably market will recover from here, and we will see a very good reversal, right? In a bigger time frame, in the daily time frame, we will see a recovery. But if the market is coming down very fast from here, we can see market going down a lot. We can easily see 41,500 coming probably in a few days, and bigger targets of very lower levels also open very easily from here, right? So anyways, that is a bit which is a bit too far away right now. So we will focus on tomorrow. What can we do for tomorrow? Now if you see, there has been a selling in the end, right? Whenever there is selling in the end, that means that the big institutions have come and taken a selling position in the end, right? So what can you do is very simple. Tomorrow, if you open with a small gap down, that will be fine. If you open a small gap up, that will be fine. If you open flat, that will be fine. The only thing that should not happen is that we open with a gap up above 43,000. If we are opening with a gap up above 43,000, that means that means a lot of sellers have gotten trapped over here, and most probably we could see a reversal from here, or maybe we could see a bit of volatility and consolidation throughout the day. So only thing that should not happen is that we should not open with a gap up above 43,000. Anything else, and then we can expect the market to continue to move down from here, right? And again, an update from my yesterday's position. I booked this position today. I'm going to go into the orders and I'm going to show you guys. If you see, I booked this position today at 58 rupees over here as soon as the market opened, right? I had kept a target of 50 rupees, and somehow the premium also did show a take of 50 rupees, but I think my order did not go. But yes, what happened was, if I go into the 1 minute chart and show you guys exactly what happened, this was the first candle, and if you see, there was such a big red candle, and after that there was no follow-up, and that's when I knew I had to exit my position, because market had opened somewhere near 350, right? The pre-market tick was somewhere near 350, but the first candle closing itself was 150 points below that. That means that means everybody, someone, there was a big sell volume in the market at the opening itself, right? And which was not a good sign, and that's why I decided to square off my position at 58 rupees, at 58 rupees itself. And yeah, from there pretty much market continued to move down. But anyways, I have made around, I think, 4% of my total capital in this trade, while taking a risk of somewhere around 0.8% on my capital, right? So basically 1:5 risk to reward ratio. And in the end also, I had to take a position over here, but I could not. I had some work. And yes, if you see market again, very simple thing, right? If you are seeing that big institutions are coming and selling in the first 15 minutes itself, right? That means big institutions got a chance to exit their longs or create new shorts at the opening itself, and they did not stop. That means the market was very weak in the opening itself, and we could see that, right? Even after making such a big green candle over here, market came down from there itself. Market did not stop, and that was our, that was pretty much our confirmation to go ahead and take a selling position in the market as soon as we had gotten a chance. Now over here, if you see, see, market did kind of try to go up over here, and I took a trade over here in the 1 minute chart over here, right? If you see, I shorted the 42,800 C somewhere. Somewhere near 260, I think, and I squared it off at I squared it off at pretty much my cost itself, right? Because if you see, the next candle itself was very green, right? If the market had to go down, it would have gone down very fast, because a lot of people would have taken a short position over here, and market did come to take their stop losses, right? But if the market is not going down, that means there is something wrong, and that's why I decided to square off my position. I think I did the right thing, because my stop loss would have been eaten over here. But if you see again, market again went up over here to take a lot of sellers' stop losses, and there was a very good resistance zone over here, and market exactly took resistance from here, right? This was today's closing also, and in the initial few candles, there was also selling from there. So market again came at this zone, but I just wasn't present at the moment, and that's why I could not capture it. But pretty much, if I would have shorted the 42,800 call option, right, over here, it was going for 360 rupees, and it has closed somewhere near, I think, 160 rupees. Yes, so pretty much I would have gotten a 200 points gain extra in the last few candles itself. But anyways, not a big deal. Tomorrow also we could get a very good trade over here. So what can we do for tomorrow is very simple over here. After opening flat, we can go ahead and take a short position below 42,800. As soon as we go below 42,800, you guys can go ahead and take a short position. But the best thing would be, because what could happen is that, say if we open flat and start crossing, maybe market might first hunt your stop loss and then start to move down. So the best thing would be if you open with a little bit of gap up somewhere near 42,900 and all these levels, and then once we start crossing 42,800, you guys can go ahead and take a short position over here. Your target can easily be 42,500 first of all, then 42,400 very easily on the downside, right? Because from here market will not stop, because market had a lot of time to go up, and now the market will easily go down till 42,400 from here, right? 42,500 first of all, because it is kind of a support zone, and then 42,400. These could be your two targets for tomorrow very easily if the market continues to move down. Another thing is, if you open the gap down, we can do two things. Either wait for a negative price action in 5-minute chart. Once you see negative price action, you can go ahead and take a short position again till 42,400. If we open the gap up somewhere near 42,950 and all these levels, again wait for some sort of a price action in 5-minute chart, right? Once you start seeing negative price action, you can go ahead and take a short position at higher levels also. But if the market is sustaining above 43,000, do not take a trade, right? Do not take a bearish trade over here, because market most probably will hit your stop loss, right? If the market is sustaining above 43,000, we can go ahead and take a bullish trade above this zone itself. Once we cross 43,001, once we sustain above this zone and start making positive price action, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade. But do not keep big targets, because chances are market might consolidate over here for a day and then start to move up, right? So tomorrow maybe you might not get a very good trade over here if you are an option buyer, but if you are an option seller, maybe you can short the 43,000 C and let it be for the rest of the day, because then chances are market might consolidate and be a little volatile over here on the higher side. If you are opening with a gap up above 43,200, same thing. Let above 43,200, there are chances that there could be a little bit of short covering tomorrow, because we are opening with a very big gap up. So a lot of shorts might get covered over here. So if you are opening with a very big gap up above 43,000, above 43,100 actually, then also you can go ahead and go long over here for a buy. But still I would recommend to short options rather than to buy options, because things can be volatile. So you may end up losing on your trade, even though market might not come down from here, right? If you are opening with a very big gap down below somewhere near 42,600, 500, then there is not really much space for the market to go down, and then most probably we could see a volatile day. But yes, below, if you are opening with a gap down, maybe you can take a short position in 42,800 call or 42,700 call if you get good premium over there, right? Talking about Nifty is also at a very good place, and it has also closed at a very good place, right? Tomorrow, if you open flat and start crossing 19,055, you guys can go ahead and take a short position over here, first of all till 19,000, and then with a target of 18,950, right? We can expect these targets to come very easily, and then maybe Nifty might get consolidate over here for a while and then continue its move on the downside, right? If we are opening with a gap up, a small gap up somewhere near 19,100, 120, then same thing, wait for negative price action and then go ahead and take a short trade. Even if you are opening with a gap down somewhere near 19,050, 40, all these levels, right? Again, same thing, wait for negative price action and then go ahead and take a short trade in Nifty also, right? Only thing is, if we open with the gap up above 19,150 and sustain over here for a while, then chances are we could see a short covering till 19,200, 200 to 220 very easily on the upside, right? So I guess that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. And I hope you like my analysis, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.